Welcome to the Microsoft Word practical video tutorial session. Today's session we are going to discuss Word practical 13. So in this practical you want to prepare the document like this. This video will helpful you to prepare the document like this. Okay, so we will go one by one. So in the practical 14, first you want to prepare the texts this way. Okay, so I will arrange. Okay, so first what you want to do it, so you want to increase the intent of following texts. Okay, so just select the texts up to here. Okay, then increase the intent. Okay, so here we have increased the intent. Then we need to apply the bold, also underline of this text heading. If you wish, you can increase the font size also. Then another heading, you need to apply the bold. Also here, we want to apply the bold. And after that, we need to apply the bullet points of following words. We have applied. Then you can see after the off-right bikes, here just I want to increase the intent like this way, holding of the tabular column and moving here, you can increase the intent. Then after the special event also we need to apply the bullet points. Okay, so this is also you want to make it as a bold. Then here this area, so in this area you want to have the welcome and online catalog and special event texts over there. Just insert shapes text box, keep the text box here. Okay, so then copy these texts already what you have typed, paste it here. Then you can increase the line spacing. Okay, also make it bold, increase the size and underline the texts. Sorry, normal underline the texts. Then thereafter what you want to do it, format shape line, you can remove the line over there. Okay, so the same text box you want to copy, then keep it bottom part and you can have the texts there. Okay, so now almost you have prepared the document. Just we will increase some font here. Okay, then what you want to do it, you want to insert the Eiffel Tower image. Just go to insert picture, online picture, then just type Eiffel Tower, enter. You will get the different type of Eiffel Tower photos. As you wish, you can select one, just insert. Okay, so then you need to reduce the size then double click square. Okay, so then you need to apply some effects also. Okay, so then apply some effects. Just keep it here. Then thereafter, another new thing we are going to discuss here. Here, all the road bikes, off-road bikes, hybrid, children bikes, clothing, accessories, we are going to insert the hyperlink there. So to insert the hyperlink, select the Texas, then right-click link. Just click link. So what do you want to link there? Just copy this Texas first. Just search the road bikes there. Then some link you can click it. Okay, just copy this link, then right click link, just insert the address, then okay. The similar way, off-road bikes, just search over there, get some links, then okay. So this is called hyperlink. So once you click on this particular word, it will be direct your browser to find the things from the internet. So this way you can link the pages or any documents with your word texts. So by this way, using these techniques, you can complete the practical number 14.